bim like this. That's what I heard here. I thought all my teeth has gone off.
As a matter of fact, you and that your Nduka had better go and kill yourselves. Nania, Onuga Bushomunu. Lemoge. You want to manage my money and my business? That one will not happen. Nze, Oga ge me, or my me. Not while I'm still alive. You have to kill me first for you to manage my money and my business. Dala.
So Elisa, is that what you said?
Nonsense.
No. Elisa, is that what you said? No. Okay. We will see the ending. We will see the end in this house.
Ego. How are you?
I'm good.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you.
How far?
You are tracking Pankane. That's so nice of you.
What is nice about this? I can't wait for these lecturers to call off the strike so that we'll go back to school. Because I'm tired of all this.
Nah, Ego. You are from this village now. Eh?
I want to go out, and explore the world.
Anyway.
Did I tell you that my aunt, who lives in Lagos, asked me to come over once I'm done with my education and national youth service?
Wow, are you serious? Look at you.
You can say that again. And she also promised to get me a job once I get to the city.
Ego. You want to leave your boyfriend all alone here in the village?
Wow. Do I have a choice? If my so-called boyfriend doesn't understand this, that's his problem.
Ego, don't say I didn't tell you. This is not nice of you. And I don't treat him like that now.
My dear, see, I can't stay in this village forever. I have to go out and look for a job as my auntie has promised. So, if you like, you can continue from where I stop.
No problem if you...
Hey, let me get you a seat.
If you say so.
Don't.
Sandra, how can you be changing men like rappers? Gine.
Nwanyi Nkwerre, what kind of embarrassment is this one now?
But I'm telling you the truth.
Nwanyi Nkwerre, let me be. You're not my mother.
Of course, I can't be a mother to a cheap prostitute like you. A shower kobo.
Nwanyi Nkwerre, you know what? Respect yourself. Respect yourself, oh. Yeah, woman.
It is your mother that is a yeah woman. Because she didn't give you a proper home training. If she did, you won't be coming back home with different men. You will not be changing men like rappers. Let's go.
Sandra.
Yeah?
I hope this thing this woman is saying, I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
No. Baby, you should know me now. I'm not like that. See, that woman just keep making nuisance of herself in this compound. Not only to me, but to the other tenants. Whenever she sees any of her tenants comes in with anybody, she'll just tag it that you're this, you're that. She'll just keep raining insults on us. She's just like that.
Are you sure?
Oh, baby, you should trust me now. You know me.
Okay. I think I know how to do.
Baby, thank you.
No problem.
Oh, baby, you miss me. So,
Talk to me.
What are you going to get from me?
Actually, the hair you talked about.
Aww.
I will make it double. Double
drone.
Yeah.
Okay, Landlord.
Yes?
What's the meaning of this?
You are asking me?
How dare you barge into my room?
Oh, you are asking me a question, Mrs. Badger. How dare you barge into my room? Oh, it's been because of this idiot. Because of this thing that you refuse to be my baby.
I beg your pardon?
Don't beg my pardon, my friend. I know your type. I know your type. A slave. We call your type for call. That's what you are. Sandra, who is this fool? Eh?
This fool is my landlord.
You called me a fool in my house. Can you afford to buy cement? Do you know how much cement is selling in the market now? Can your parents afford a bag of cement? I'm asking the two of you. No. Hey! See, Mr. Man or whatever you call yourself, before I close my eyes and open it, you shall pay for this place now. And if you close that eyes will not open again. What will you do? No. What? No. Okay. What will you do?
Leave my boyfriend.
Come on, get up, man. Come on, sit down here.
Okay, no, leave here. Leave here.
If I give you something, you know yourself, idiot. Stupid you. F. Fuck all ya. Look at you now. Look at you.
Leave here now.
Damn, shut up your mouth.
Because you rented a house to me, does that not mean that I have freedom?
Freedom of call you. Pwah! Idiot. It's about to go. Eh?
It's going to spoil our fun time. Before you know it now, you'll be on another assignment. Please, just ignore him. I'm sorry, it's my fault. I didn't remember to lock the door. Sit. Come on, baby. Calm down.
It's because of you this man.
I'm so sorry. The man is a loser.
Mommy, I want to thank you for all you've done for me, for all the sacrifices you've made.
My daughter, no big deal. That is what mothers do for their children.
Honestly, Mom, I don't know what I would have done without you.
Can say that again.
I am really happy for you, sis.
Good. Thank you. Your time will come too, you know.
Of course. But I hope you will stay for a while before going back to the city.
Ego, no. I'll leave. I have to go to work tomorrow. Okay, this is what will happen. When I'm on leave, I will come and stay with you people.
Are you sure?
I promise. I promise.
My daughter, I'm really so happy about all the interesting things happening around you. This is just a tip of the iceberg. Many more good things will come your way. You know, go mom, just keep being a good daughter. So, what are we having for lunch?
The baby of the house will decide. Because she's the baby.
Don't go there, Mommy. I don't want to go to the kitchen.
So I should be the one to go to the kitchen. My friend, get up and go and bring that okwa. We are cooking okwa this afternoon. Go and bring the okwa. Let's all select it now.
I'll do it. Are you sure? I promise.
Go and bring the okwa. Don't worry, I'll help you to select it. Eh?
Well, Mommy, let me help her. She's the baby.
Why now? I never see you. You like all this kind of maroli movement. Walking from one corner to another. I'm only giving you 5 minutes, so after 5 minutes, we don't. Come here. Welcome, my sons. I like your uniform.
So, you have the guts to embarrass me and my woman, eh?
Sure. Me? Sandra, you did not tell me that you have a boyfriend who is a soldier. Eh? Sandra, you are very, very wicked. Will you shut up, your mouth?
I'm talking.
You know what, sweetheart? I think he needs to be disciplined. Discipline him.
You are right.
Sandra.
Boy,
Sandra, there's God, though.
Take him.
There's God, though.
Come out. Okay. Go down. Go down. Put your ears.
Oh.
Up.
Oh.
Down. Go front.
Oh.
Jump.
Oh. Remember me, father. Oh.
Jump.
I'm an elder. Oh. I'm
Stop talking. Stop talking. Jump.
Sorry.
Jump.
Hey, Elizabeth! Elizabeth!
Jump.
Elizabeth!
Officer, what I did to my husband? What has he done?
I know what I mean.
Your husband here.
The PRO of Galaxy. I demand you take yourself and your men out of this compound this minute. Otherwise, I will take legal action against you for assault.
That's my daughter. That's my daughter, Kiru.
How dare you talk to an officer like me? You bloody civilian, eh?
Bloody boy.
Better leave.
That is my daughter.
That's
That's my daughter, Kiru.
There are some army men at our house. They are assaulting and harassing us.
My husband.
Yes.
And you're making your father jump up and down.
Oh, I'm talking and you're making call, eh? Do you want me to call this
Hey,
phone?
that's my daughter.
Do you want me to call this phone?
Officer, that
Are
is
you
my
madam? Okay, you ganged your family to fight me, eh?
But you came to
You ganged them to fight me.
But you came here to from jump me now.
I'll be back for you.
Back?
Yes.
Don't come back. Oh. Don't come back.
Boy,
Oh.
let's go.
Barrister is coming. Oh. Sandra,
I'll be back for you.
you'll be back. Don't come back. Oh. Barrister is coming. Oh. Sandra!
Sandra!
Sandra,
You're gonna be there for us somewhere. You must pocket of our house. You must pocket of our husband.
But the angels of God, you want us the angel punish you.
Hello? Yes. I'm calling to tell you that they've gone. Yeah, you can forget about it. Yes, if he tries it again, I won't hesitate to call you. Thank you very much.
That girl must go to barracks. Oh. Follow them and go to the barracks and leave. It's yours. You must pocket of. Thank you very much. But it is. You shouldn't have called the barrister. Let me deal with Sandra and the idiot. Foolish idiot. The difference between you is because of that khaki you are wearing.
You would have dealt with it.
You know.
I know you. Papa, it's okay. Let's go.
Stupid you. Sandra will go punish you. Punish you in the morning, in the night, in the afternoon. May in your dream, may you be seeing bomb. No.
Hey! Ja! Obugo. Jope! Hello there. Nze. That girl went too far. Serve her eviction letters. Yes, now. Somebody that dealt with you like this.
No. So that the army boyfriend will beat me again?
And say you're too afraid. See, had it been you called me, eh? I would have showed them pepper.
You should have showed them pepper. Yes. You should have showed them pepper.
I am not afraid of them, because I have soldiers in my family. You know that now.
You see, look, you have soldiers in your family.
Yes.
I don't even have police.
Oga Landlord, good afternoon, sir.
I told you. What is it?
Oga Landlord, I came here earlier on to look for you, but I didn't find you. I wanted to lay a complaint to you about your wife. Oh.
My wife?
Yes, your wife. She's overstepping her bounds now. Can you imagine that your wife just barged into my room unannounced and saw me while I was naked?
Wait, Tony, you mean that my wife saw your manhood?
No, I was wearing my boxer shorts.
Oh, so... anyway, continue.
She just barged into my room to demand for rent. Imagine.
Tony, did you give her the money?
No.
So, what is the basis of this complaint?
That your wife has no right to barge into my room like that. Is that not basis enough?
Look, you are even lucky that my wife did not do more than that. Yes.
Okay, Landlord, is that all you have to say?
If you had paid your house rent at Wendy, she wouldn't have done that. Or barged into your room to do anything. Yes, of course. Yes.
So from all you have said now, I understand that you support your wife's rude behavior towards me.
She is going to embarrass you more until when you pay your rent at Wendy.
Okay. No problem. Just know it that if this kind of a thing happens next time, I will not come to complain to you. Tony will not complain to you. But whatever you people see, just take it like that.
Nonsense.
No problem.
That is something. If you try nonsense, I will show you nonsense. I will teach you nonsense and I will make you nonsense. Not only making you nonsense, I will pick all again. Tell you what this idiot. Yes.
If it is me, that your wife barge into his room and see my nakedness,
What will you do?
I will not allow her. I will not let her go.
Look at you are just a fool. Get out of my house here. Look at you. If my wife, you want to tap all of my wife.
What is it? Can't someone joke with you?
Joke with what?
Am I not your friend?
Don't joke with my wife. Don't joke with my wife when it comes to that kind of thing.
Remember
if it is here, if it is a wife, I would have done this. Wait, you have already planned this.
I'm only joking with you.
No, don't joke with me.
How can I go to my
Don't. In
friend's wife?
fact, I think we are okay with this draft now. Just go. I'm not at peace again. I'm not at peace again. Go.
Nduka, where is my husband?
That's why.
I'm asking you, where is my husband?
Am I not suddenly?
Where is my husband? Where
Am
is
I not suddenly your husband's keeper?
Nduka, as I was coming now, I sighted you coming with my husband.
Hey!
I don't know where he has disappeared to. So where is he?
Hey! Your eyes just deceived you. Eh? Or you lack some vitamin deficiency.
Hey, hold it there. Akbarikwalam this hot afternoon. Nanoya. See, don't insult me. I saw you coming with my husband. Anyway,
I am not trying to insult you.
That one is by the way.
I'm not trying to insult you. What I was thinking of, what will cause one low vision in a very bright day like
that
this?
One is your business. Go and tell that friend of yours, that good for nothing friend of yours that calls himself my husband. Go and tell him to return my 10,000 naira that he took from my purse.
He stole your money?
Yes. He stole 10,000 naira from my purse. And I've been looking for him all over the village.
Hey.
I have gone everywhere. Even I've gone to that permit joints that people go to useless themselves. Eh?
Elisa.
So tell him to bring back my money. Oh.
Elisa, take it easy. Oh.
I should take what easy?
Take it easy on him. Oh.
10,000 naira that he took from my purse. I should take it easy.
Elisa, is it because of common 10,000 naira?
What?
That you want to kill my friend?
You call it common 10,000 naira?
Is it not common?
Mazenduka, 10,000 naira common.
Hey.
Lenogi, all your life, both home and abroad, can you boast of just 1,000 naira? You're calling my money common 10,000 naira.
Elisa, or whatever they call you. See, don't insult me. Oh. Don't insult me. Listen, I am not your husband though. That one you have turned to a woman. I'm not. Oh.
I don't blame you. Birds of a feather flock together. Go and tell that good for nothing friend of yours that calls himself my husband. If he does not return my 10,000 naira, heads will roll. You know what I can do? Nonsense.
I hope you are not trying to insult me. Eh? See, I am not I am not that your husband that you've turned into a woman. Just imagine.
My wife nearly caught me.
Hey!
God, why is that woman walking searching for me?
She nearly caught you.
You don't mean it.
See, I need my percentage to increase to 1,000 naira. Yes, now, for covering your ass and the insults your wife you have just rendered on me. She baffed me with insults. So I need that increment.
To come, my friend.
I need it now, I need it.
You like money past even woman. Yes, of course now.
I need it so serious.
Anyway, there's no problem. I know how to compensate you.
Yeah.
I know what you like. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go to where we'll drink. Chop chop house.
You're bribing me now.
Oh, Chimo.
Good evening, ma.
Abale abaka. Obruko lost bata. Every day, different women. You've come back with another one, Nkwerre. By the way, your rent will expire before the end of the month. So the earlier you pay up, the better, because I will not listen to any stories.
What kind of embarrassment is this now?
How am I embarrassing you? I am just reminding you that your rent will soon be due. To avoid embarrassment.
Please stop embarrassing me. I'll pay you your rent when the time is due. Huh?
Please, madam, there is no point being rude to him. He will pay once his rent is due.
Ezioku. Keneri. He will pay immediately the rent is due. I can see that you are speaking for your dear husband. Lenogi. So in your mind now, you have found a husband. Don't worry. Oga atagi ko sitai begi. Otaga omicha siagi odompogi.
Stop this now. Stop this.
By the way, has he told you that he has a wife and children in the village?
What?
Huh? He did not.
Osita.
You better shine your eyes though. Do not say that I didn't tell you.
Wait, hold it. You mean you're married and you're lying to me?
Wait.
You're married?
Calm down.
I'm leaving this place.
Wait. Do you know this woman before?
Didn't you hear what she just said?
Don't listen to this aproko woman. She can lie for Africa.
Oh.
Gosh. This woman has been making passes at me. But I told her to stop. Because in my hometown, we don't sleep with married women.
Wait, hold on. You mean she has been asking you to sleep with her?
I'm telling you the truth. And if I accepted, I wouldn't have been paying rent by now.
Osita,
it's impossible.
If I find out that you're lying to me, I will not be happy with you.
Asam.
Because I do not want to have anything to do with a womanizer and a liar.
Sweetheart, calm down. I don't know what's making this woman think I will leave a beautiful angel like you and settle for an old cargo like her. Please. It's not possible now. Asam, calm down now. Eh? You know I don't play with you. Asam, calm down now. See, that's the way she behaves. Eh? You know I'm a handsome guy.
Nkwerre, now that you are going back to the city, we need to talk about vital issues before you leave, okay?
Okay, Papa.
Well, Nkwerre, I'm happy that you are doing great in your career. And I will also want you to do great in your personal life.
Papa, I don't understand.
No matter the amount of achievement a woman made in her life, without a husband, that achievement is zero.
Says who?
Eliza, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to my daughter.
She's also my daughter.
What I'm saying in essence is this. You must look for a husband. You must get a husband, a good husband for yourself.
Papa, I really want to get married, but the right man has refused to come.
Nkwerre,
Yes, Papa.
men tend to be afraid of women that have made success in their life. Women that have achieved a lot in their life. But God will provide for you a good husband.
Amen, Papa. Amen.
Nkwerre.
Eliza.
Okay.
Eliza.
Okay.
Eliza, can you allow me to advise my daughter?
Is she not my daughter too?
Just allow me, let me finish up with my daughter.
Is she not also my daughter?
If it's your daughter, just allow me
What
to
kind of
finish up my
advice are you
daughter.
giving to her?
Nkwerre, when you get back to the city, please think about what I just discussed with you.
Adanganga. I will miss you. I'm going to miss you. I hope you come again soon.
Of course I will.
When you get to the city, make sure you call us.
No problem.
We'll be back.
Mama, as soon as I get to the city, I'll send you the money.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I will appreciate it.
Mama, but there is one thing I want to talk to you about.
What is it?
It's about you and Papa. I want you people to start living in peace.
Nkwerre, you know that your father is a very difficult man to live with. But I've been tolerating his excesses. What do I do? He's my husband.
Mama, give him his due respect as the head of the family. That cat and dog lifestyle between you both should end. He should stop.
I hope you gave him the same advice.
I did.
What they might have heard. I also have my own advice for you.
Okay, Mama.
I overheard him telling you about getting a husband. Don't allow anybody to put you under pressure. Marriage is not something that one will rush into. And I know one.
Yes, Mama. But as much as I hate to admit it, Papa has a point.
Yes, he has a point. You definitely get married. But my daughter, I want you to open your eyes. I want you to carefully search for a husband. Not just any man, no.
Okay, Mama. Okay, Mama.
Look for a decent, good, and well-to-do man to marry you. A man that will take care of you, and it will also extend to us. Enola one.
Yes, Mama.
Look at your beautiful car. You have a good job. Very soon now, all those chingom boys will start flocking around you. I don't want you to get married to any man that will depend on you. Okay? It is not easy for me. It is not easy for me. You have to look for a man that will take care of you as a wife. Another one.
I've heard you, Mama.
That is my own advice to you.
Mama, I've heard you. But I have to leave now.
I
miss you too, baby. Take care of yourself.
Okay.
Mama.
Bye-bye. Drive well. Drive carefully. Call us so.
All right.
I'll
call you. All right, Mama. All right.
So that is it.
Are you serious? Wow, that's good though. Ha. Eh? That is like
Hey! Here you go. Please go and get my food ready, okay?
okay, sir.
Good.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you. Chinwe,
Sir,
how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How are your parents?
They're good, sir.
All right. Do you have answer to my question now, Chinwe?
No.
I know. Why are you standing like that? No. But you said I should give you time to think about it.
I've really thought about it. And I realized that's an abominable act. And besides, Ego is my best friend.
What do you know about abomination? What do you know about abomination when you are not my daughter and you are not related to me in any form? You're just my daughter's friend. See, I'm going to protect you. I'm going to protect it. I'm going to keep it secret from Ego. It's going to be coded. Yes.
I can't.
Come back.
I can't, me, I have conscience.
Conscience. Are you now Majek Fashek? Eh? Come. See, come. Just come. Let me show you something. Come, look at me. Look at me. Don't be there. See, look into my eyes. Can't you see love in my eyes?
Me, I cannot see anything.
You cannot see anything. That will say you are suffering from Apollo.
Me, Apollo?
Yes, that's why you cannot see. Can't you see love sparkling in my eyes? Can't you see my eyes desiring to have you, to hold you like this? Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm keeping fit, you know. I'm keeping your friend company, and at the same time keeping fit, you know. We have a fitness.